Ang bigat, may safety deposit box pala itong si Tami.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning po. It is morning but it's almost 12 o'clock. Look, oh, mga gamit ni Tami. Dito nilagay niya yung mga hard drive niya. Safety. For safety daw. Yun, aalis tayo. Late na akong nag-vlog, guys. Kasi, yeah, basta meron akong ginawa. So, tingnan nyo itong dalawa. Go, baby, hurry up! Baby, quick! Anong temperature ngayon? 52 degrees sa labas. So, alis kami, punta sa isang bahay. We have to give them some dry food and the dog the bones.
Why don't you do that while I take them?
Oh, I'll do it myself. I'll do it myself.
You do what?
That thing in the car.
No, I'll take the stuff out of my car. You take care of that.
I can do the car thing.
My car!
Oh, your car? Why you have to use your car? We can drive that later. Can we use my car?
No, we're better off with my car. Because if we take stuff, we can fit more in my car, but I need to take some stuff out. Well, what's the difference?
I don't like to drive that car.
I'll drive.
So ngayon, plano pala ni Taming gamitin yung sasakyan niya. Alis lang kami. Let me see kung ano yung kailangan ni Tami. Yung tiyan ko is masakit. Meron pa pala ako ditong labahan, guys. Ginoo ko. Wala pa pala itong nahuman. Itong labahan natin na hindi pa nahuhuman. Nahihima na itik. Ito siya, parang okay naman ata ito. Ano, dito? Pillowcase pa pala dito, guys. Maganda daw yung panahon bukas. Yesterday, guys, hindi ako nag-vlog. Itong mga vlog ko is late for 1 week. 1 week siya delayed. Yung mga vlogs ko. And, yun. And then, yesterday, hindi ako nag-vlog kasi, naka-charge pala dito yung cellphone ko. Nagpahinga ako kahapon. Pero bukas, it's, sabi pa, mga 60 something degree daw. So, mag-garden tayo bukas. And, maggawa tayo ng seedling. Hindi ko pa nasisidling yung mga dapat kong ipaplant para yung i-transfer mo kapag tumubo na and then i-transfer. Yung camera holder ko, it's here. Do you want wire, honey?
Yes.
Yun, hala. Lubat din, guys. Lubat din ako, guys. Ano ba to? Change battery tayo and then i-charge natin ito dito. Try natin tayong mag-drive nitong sasakyan. At para man akong si Do You Not? Do You Not? Ano ba yun? Do You Not ba yun, guys? So, yung bata ba? Do You Not? Yung bangs. Hindi na ako si Dora the Explorer. Si Do You Not? Ay, nako, Lord. Anyway.
I drive it.
No.
My car, I drive it.
Han, can I drive this car, please?
No, you don't even like driving this car anymore.
I can drive this car.
You said it like 10 minutes ago.
I'm fine. Let's go.
Switch something.
No, let's go.
Switch.
Switch my ass.
Huh?
I'm fine.
You're in my seat. How fine can you be?
You really want to drive?
Yes.
Fine. Then you have to return this seat.
I haven't drove for a while. Yes, I like to drive. Thank you. What do you do with my GPS wire?
We don't need GPS.
I like it. Why would you unhook it?
Because the camera is over
Oh my
there.
God, it was in the way of the camera. I get it.
Yes, baby. You put it up. No.
Here, go.
I'll go get it. You need gloves. The clear one. I'm gonna.
Yeah, go.
Did you? I don't have the key. The plane. I told Tammy we're going to put a. How do you call this?
Wire.
Divider here. Cellophane.
That's I take a big cardboard box for the house. Put it in.
Right? I can't see your face.
Your license expired.
You know what, honey? Hala, yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow, hon. No, but this is hon. What is this said, hon?
No more driving after tomorrow. That's it.
No, yeah, right.
No more driving for you.
Hon, this is something.
Now you got no resident card. You got no driver's license. We got nothing.
Whatever.
Did you ever check to see if those documents went through? No.
No. So, problem guys sa card ko. Yan. Parang iwan ko talaga. Parang Talagang gustong pauwiin ako sa Pilipinas nito. Mas okay naman ako uwi. And then i-fight na lang para makabalik ako dito. Hi Mr. Cupido, ako na may tulungan mo.
Masala?
Ha?
Masala.
Ako na matala? Hi Mr.
Don't be pointing at me.
Mr. Cupido. The mountain of New York State. And yun guys, that's our dream guys. Trailer that you can drag on, look. But I want a trailer that is like a trailer. Like with the drive itself, right? The RV, yeah. That's my dream thing, RV. Ha? Motorhome. So yung mga kahoy guys, oh, magdahon-dahon na yan next time. Dadahon na yan, yun. It's gonna be a lot of leaves of, maybe start end of this month, right? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ay! Hey! You're so tatsy! Don't touch me and tickle me! Can you do it again? Honey, I drive careful, hon. Now look at this guy's maniac. My husband is very gentleman, but he like to tickle me. Oh, my son. Why you like to tickle me? Yeah, I'm really ticklish, guys. Over here, oh my God, don't you dare! I'm so ticklish here. Can I tickle myself?
No, you can't, strangely enough.
I don't know why. Remember guys, I miss tickling my mother-in-law. Yeah, just slow down.
I'm not flying, they're flying.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Tignan niyo to guys, ang ganda ng tulips ni Biana, no? Magkukuha ako nito mamaya. Dalhin ko sa bahay kasi ang ganda. Ito din, hindi ko alam kung ano to siya, pero ito gusto ko yan. So ngayon, tingin-tingin tayo kung anong dalhin, ilagay sa car. Ito siya. Ano to? Yung iba is pwede itapon. Dalhin na lang para walang away. Ito siya, dito lang to kasi magagamit ito sa pag-impake. Yung parang itatay mo yung gamit mo doon ba. Ito, dalhin ito sa bahay. So, I put those things to bring. Where are you? Han! Tignan nyo, hindi man tumingog. Are you upstairs? I thought you came down and then I'm turning to the living room. There is some boxes already downstairs from the living room. The other attic, guys. This is almost empty, huh? Who did empty this? Andrea?
I guess.
Look, this is not like this before. Look, can you turn? There's no light here. No. What's your head? Okay, turn the light. So they took a lot from here, Han.
Apparently so.
Because this is full. This was full. Like we cannot even enter. Pira ubayong. Let me see. Here you go. That's you. Oh no.
No.
Looks like you, baby. Ah, there you go. There's a baby, ba? Baby, you're so cute, baby. You're so cute. May Christmas thing pa dito pala, oh. I forgot that we still have Christmas decor here. Right here. Dahil ka ni. This Susie?
Nope.
No, this is really old.
Yep.
Seems like this is the side of your father that you don't know. This is your father's side, oh. Magpaturo ako nito ni Tami kung paano siya laruin. So, dalhin natin to sa bahay. May safe pala itong si Tami. Ang bigat. Dinala namin sa sasakyan. Hindi ko alam na may ano pala siya. Parang box na. May mga tinatago. Ngayon na. Tataka ako kung ano yung andun. Naghakot siya ng mga damit niya. Pero yung na-shock ako kasi sabi pa niya, may lakas ba daw ako? Kasi meron daw mabigat. Grabe guys. Sasakit yun mamaya, bukas, mamayang gabi, yung likod ni Tami. Sasakit yan. At sa akin din. Ang bigat, may safety deposit box pala itong si Tami. Hindi ko alam. Ngayon, ang bigat, sabi ko sa kanya, anong laman? Hindi sinasabi. Na-curious ako ba? Ipa-open ko yun sa kanya. Ang ganda ng panahon, pero ano pa ako, jacket pa. Oh, this is yours? It's so small.
No, I bought it for somebody.
No, this is Thomas. That it should be go away. So should be. This is what I took from them that it should be in the Philippines for my thing. Now they're all grown up. Ito yung
You gotta go online. So we go to. They have a website to go to. I don't know.
Matagal din yan namin itaming iniipon yung mga coins. Noon yung marami siyang coins dahil yung sa city parking coins. So, iniipon namin yan. Matagal na yan kaya. Dalhin ko yun sa bahay. May naipon ako noon guys na 260. Kinuha nila. So, ngayon, sabi ko, dalhin ko yun sa bahay. Bigat nito oh. Padidit na lang. Padidit. Oh. Finally, nakapag-desisyon na si Tami. Hindi pa man talaga fully moved. Pero, nag-desisyon na siya. Kasi usually, ayaw niya magdala ng mga damit sa bahay. Ganon. Ayaw niya. So, ngayon, nakapag-desisyon na talaga siya. So, yung mga damit niya, didala niya. So, good sign kasi. Tignan nyo guys, anong ginawa ko guys. Look. Sus, natapon. Buti na lang ang bag lang, hindi yung ano. Sus, ginoo ko. Tapon guys. Kahit saan ito. Ito siya. Ito si Dami kadahubad. Nilagay niya sa mga drawer. Kapag maghubad niya siya, marami sa packet. And then ilagay niya sa drawer. Ako naman ang tagasunod. Kaya ngayon naipon siya. Guys, meron akong hinahanap sa bedroom ni Bianan kasi andun si Tami. So, habang andun si Tami, ayaw kong pumasok doon sa bedroom ni Bianan na hindi sila pumasok kasi nakakaano naman, diba? Nandun si Tami, pumasok ako and then pumunta ako sa closet. And kasi one time, me and mom went to the closet and hide some perfume. So, ito siya nakita ko. Nag-hide me of perfume kasi yung anak niya is mahilig kumukuha ng gamit na hindi sa kanya. Kaya kami ni Biana nagtago kami ng mga gamit niya. So, sabi ko, hanapin ko kung andun pa ba. So, nakita ko siya lang. Perfume. Mga bigay po ito ni Tami na perfume. Paborito niya. And, ito. Ito siya. Look. Yun, whole set pa talaga siya. Yan. Dalhin ko sa bahay. Puno na yung sasakyan niya. Ay, grabe yung singot ko, guys. Ay, ang init. Akala ko, maganda pala yung panahon. Anyway, pinapawisan ako ng maraming singat. Alis na kami. Meron pa pala itong blanket. Merong malaking, flower pot yan. Doon sa harapan ng bahay. Dalhin ko. At ito, dalhin. Blanket si Tami, guys. Marami yung blanket, guys. Hindi talaga kami giginawin, guys. Ang dami blanket. Where is he? Yun, pinakain na naman niya yung mga ibon, guys. Look. Aalis na raw kami, pero doon nakaupo ako. Si Tami andun sa taas. What are you doing here? He gave me more tripod. Did you give it to me? He has a lot of tripod, guys, and he doesn't vlog. He has like 5 of them. Iwan ko kung ano namang laman nito. Okay, that's it, Han. Buhay, move. Buhay, aalis. Sana maano ito. Magkasya pa ito. Hold on, let me. Puno na, guys. Punong-puno. Look, hold on. Nanibago ako sa sasakyan, guys. The brake is really hard, Han.
I think we got a car around to shake.
No. Please.
How we doing, Claire? How are you? You know what this is? Where are you? With Sarah.
It's weird, but it's nice driving this big car because you're higher than it's usual, Han. And
Yeah.
it's nice. 4 o'clock, it's supposedly like bumper to bumper here. Pero, but it's like the normal like Sunday afternoon.
From where?
It says in the road free cool.
Well, there used to be phones all over the highways. Because they're in your head.
Because that's in my head. But
Right,
guys,
and that's in your head too.
Tommy think I'm stupid, but I'm not really stupid. I like to act like I'm the one stupid.
Like in your head, that's an M, and in your head, that M stands for Mazda, and that's GM. You tell you, Mazda looks like a little seagull, like 2 little wings.
Because we're talking about the Dodge car. What are we gonna have for dinner?
I'm saying food.
Honey, please. You don't even make the burger.
That's right, we'll have burgers. Okay?
We have to make it, right?
Yeah.
Hi guys. So this time Tommy stopped to the freaking ice cream place and he want to zip and he got me cake because it's my birthday cake.
Well, that's why I stopped there. And I said, you know, we got a shake too.
Here.
You don't want no shake?
Nope. And I told you I'm not gonna be eating dinner if I'm doing the zip. Hello. Hi.
Oh, put new batteries in it?
Yeah.
After the trip is over, we put batteries.
Hello guys. Yeah, guys, we are home and I took the thing, honey.
Yeah.
It's ready. We're gonna do it ready because you have to have something for that in our bedroom to put that thing.
What?
All that shit and other thing too.
Yep.
Okay, what do you want me to cut to this? Onion?
Well, yeah, we're chopping some onions.
And that's it, right? No, don't put garlic. I don't like it. Hello. Oh, we forgot the onion again. Here, we have a lot of onion here. Gagawin lang namin ito, guys, kasi 5 o'clock na and our kids are hungry too. So, we have to take care of this. Wash the hand. Si Tommy bumili ng cake. I don't know if you guys seen it. My battery was dead. So, he got cake for my birthday tomorrow. He want me to eat the cake tonight. Okay. And I don't feel like eating sweets. And guys, our neighbor start already cutting the grass. And our grass is growth high also now, so we need to cut ours too. Tommy is making burger. Me, I'm going to replant this onion So, tignan natin mga few days from now kung anong resulta. Kinuha ko lang yung mga dead na area. And then, nilagay natin siya dito sa... Okay. There you go. This is very sharp. Nilagay natin siya. Damihan natin ng tubig. So, ilagay lang ko lang siya dito sa window area. Hopefully, Hubs won't play with this. Ito siya, guys. Lumalaki. This grass, this vine, ivy, it's, look, oh, there's like growing. So, I need to find something to hang this one or put somewhere hanging over there. I don't know kung tutubo ba siya dyan, walang araw. So, kasi hanging kasi ito, hanging plant. Make him some burger and of course, he put cheese. Because ganyan yan siya. Busy sa pagluluto. So, ito yung nilagay si Tami guys sa iyang burger. And then, i-mix niya. Ito, garlic, powder, Cajun, parsley. I don't know why. Oh my god, you put a lot.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
And then that cheese, and then ito cheddar. So yeah, guys, it's very unhealthy, but
What's so unhealthy?
cheese.
In retrospective, there's not very much cheese.
We don't even finish the shit. We don't even start
You cut a lot more
eating.
cheese than I did for this.
Ha?
You cut a lot more cheese than I did. I don't know.
Ito yung nagawa niya for now. And then yung ginawa niya. Oh god, that's gonna
I
be
ate too
cheesy.
much.
Oh,
Oh, spread out there.
onion is good. Just spread it. Ilagay ko lang ito, guys. Itong mga ginawa ni Tami. Freezer. So, I have to find space. Hi, guys. Hindi ako okay yung pakiramdam ko. Yung ibang tao, nag-shirt lang sila, ako naka-robe. Komportable kasi ito. Masakit yung ano ko, masakit yung puson ko kasi nawala na sana siya pero nag-shower kasi ako kanina. Yun yung problema ko, guys. After few days, after yung menstruation, pagka few days, pag maligo talaga ako, sasakit talaga siya. Turn ko lang itong light, guys. I'm going to end the vlog. Everybody's sleeping, so I'm the only one awake. Me, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, matulog pa mag-ano lang ako. Hintayin ko lang yung video and then i-upload ko lang yan. So, yun lang.